So this exercise right here, if we cover our pointer finger on the 3rd fret, let's just start with the bottom 4 or the top 4 strings, whatever you want to call this. So high E, and then we have the B string, then we have the G string, and then we have D string. So if we want to look at this top 4, bottom 4, basically you have your pointer finger either covering up all 6 strings or the bottom 4. So D, G, B, E, all 4 of those strings. If you have that covered, we want to test out your strings ringing out. So you want to hear that the strings are ringing out instead of muted. So what it sounds like when it's ringing out, that kind of stuff. If you have a mute in there, let's say you kind of just, that's all muted. So that sound right there that you're hearing, you might think it's ringing out, but it's not. That means either a finger is covering up the finger that you want to be playing, or you're not putting enough pressure. So if you're not intentionally trying to get that kind of sound, that muted, then you have to adjust something. In this case, I'm over-exaggerating it. It should sound... But a good exercise is to pick each string individually. You can alternate pick, or you can just do all down strokes and all up strokes. And this is just with 4 strings or 4 notes. You can do full chord if you feel comfortable. You can do this kind of chord. You can do that kind of chord. You can do minor, major, whatever you're working on at that time. So say you have an A bar chord that you need to work on. You'd pick out each string individually, make sure everything's ringing out. And you can do different picking patterns or different exercises to make it interesting. Doubling up, tripling up, quadrupling up. If you have something where you need to make slight adjustments on a certain string, like you can keep hitting that one string until it rings out properly. So you can make slight adjustments in your pressure or move your hand around a little bit. I know that's a little too much exaggeration there, but then once you have everything ringing out on a comfortable level, you'll have that shape down, so you can play that one confidently. And in this case, this is an E-shaped bar chord, so you can play this all over the neck. So you're not just able to play A, you're able to play all the chords. F,
see where you plugged it in. So one's in there and one's in there.
yeah.
Big tip. I got it.
So give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. Give it a shot!
All right.
You'll do fine.